I never know how to start these damn videos. Whatever. Anyways, hi guys. Hello. What's up? How are you? Welcome to today's video. Yeah, I know. I normally start from the beginning and you never see what the final look looks like. But today I recorded in silence. I just needed to do my thing, just go on, record. You're going to see a lot of moving around. I had everything all over the room and I just realized my rings are off. But anyways, so yeah, I played around with the Bluebird palette. I played around with a new Pat McGrath highlight in pale gold, which is this, and Beauty Bakerie blush, my regular Natasha Denona, and also one of the highlights for Jeffree Star. Hold on. Oh, I also played with Brain Freeze. So a lot of products, a lot of going on, and a lot of hair all over the place. As you guys know, I play with makeup when I come home from work, and I am not going to get completely dolled up unless I'm going out. And I'm just being honest with you guys. Hopefully you guys will love this video. I'm just shopping my stash, as I've seen a lot of influencers do. Nothing, I just wanted to enjoy. I've paid for most of it. I'll put a little star next to the ones that I received as gifts, which is 2. 2 out of everything else I've used, because I do have a makeup obsession. I do shop a lot, unfortunately. I'm a little upset my mystery box or my whatever box from Jeffree Star for Thanksgiving has not arrived yet. 20 days later. But anyways, I already have the palette that I've seen a lot of people received, so I said, hey, why not? Pulled it out, did a look, and if you go on my Instagram, it's a collab with one of the girls that, I love her a lot. So go show us some love, and I hope you enjoy this video. I've been waiting all my life for someone like you. I would watch the days go by, wasted in blue. I was out of use. Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on air. And every day, every way, I feel I can't lose. I wanna shout it out, ain't no limit. I wanna shout it out.
Await the future. This time tomorrow, a fading memory. I wanna wake up without sorrow. I wanna step out in a world that's brighter. We are the people of tomorrow. We stand together.